Okay, ladies and gents, so we are just trying out the new sound settings. Just to get the right sound settings so you people can hear my game, you can also hear me, and I don't get headphones. Hey people, so yeah, it's pretty loud. You can hear me, but not that great. So the game volume is actually slightly louder than me, even though you can hear me above it. Okay, let me just... Okay, so the volume on my microphone, actually, I could turn down, because that actually makes me sound better too, to be honest with you. So yeah, that makes me sound a lot better. That sounds a lot better. You can hear me above the game. I'm in the yellow. Happy days, and it isn't gonna peak. If it does, it isn't gonna peak very far. So yeah, that to me actually sounds pretty awesome. So what I might do is I might lock the volume of my mic now. Because that to me sounds pretty good. I don't think I need to adjust it anymore. I'm gonna lock the desktop volume hopefully after I've listened to this video. To me, from what I can hear in the monitoring and the output, so hopefully it will hear in the video. It sounds good. It sounds good to me. I think the volume of the game is just about right. I might need to adjust it a little bit more, just so I'm a little bit louder. You can hear me just better over the game. I think each game is going to be slightly different, but that's something I can kind of work on. But I think the volume and the levels of my microphone now are pretty much spot on, and I think this is where I should have them. I think the positioning of my microphone is also pretty awesome because it's not in my face. I'm not talking directly into it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers away from my mouth, which is where it should be. So yeah, I think I think I've mastered that. But I will listen to the video back and I will test that myself. I'll get somebody else to listen to it. But yeah, I don't think I can kind of do anything better than that. The only thing I might kind of do is using a video broadcast to obviously help eliminate some of the background noises. But to be honest with you, I really do think it's perfect. I think I've got it pretty spot on, to be honest with you. I don't think I need to mess with that anymore. My microphone is in the yellow, which is where it should be. It peaks a little bit in the red. Okay, but I might need to just up that a little bit more so it doesn't peak so much in the red. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Zippy zippy do. Do 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 do. I with wisdom. Whistle 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 wadum. I think I've got it going today. Hey 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 hey. Beep 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 beep. Let me listen to this one more time. Obi, Toby, 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 do. Obi, Toby, do. Is Obi, Toby, 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 bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. I really don't think I need to adjust this anymore. I really don't think I gotta do anymore. Cause I got it pretty much. But it seems getting good this way. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. We have got it going, yeah. Pretty much fuck the top. Absolutely not. Not a ticky bird in your tin towel. Beep, 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 beep. Whoa, where did you come from? Wasn't my fault, he wasn't there. I didn't see him, cause he wasn't there. He wasn't, he wasn't actually there, chat. Yeah, he really wasn't there. Okay, so I think I need to put my pop filter on this. Or move my microphone up. Oh yeah. Oh, tell you something. I don't think you understand. Oh, loan installment in total of £254 was paid. Oh, tell you something. Uh-oh. 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 I pooped. Hello? I think I've gone the wrong way. Oh no. What's it? Oh, okay. I did, well, I missed the challenge, so let's have a look and see what we can do. Not a lot, I don't think.